Hi guys, today I am doing a review on a hair tool, which is, I don't even remember last time I ever did that, if I have ever even done that, but this was provided to me for free in order to do the review, but I'm not making any commission. This is not a sponsored video. I've actually worked with this brand before, and it is called Duvolle. I don't know if you guys remember this, but a few months back I did a review of their Radiance spin care system. It's a battery operated brush for your face, your body, things like that, and my favorite part of it was the foot file thing. It's like a pumice stone and I loved it. I still love it. I still use it. It's amazing for dry feet. Gross, but yeah. And they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try anything else. Now, their website has lots of interesting tools, and I have a lot of curling irons, and I don't like a lot of them. A lot of them are awkward to hold, a lot of them don't hold the curl, a lot of them are too big, and I don't have a straightener. I have a straightener that I use with my mom, but it's a chi, and I don't personally like it on my hair. I don't really straighten my hair. What I'm actually been looking for lately is a straightener I can use to curl my hair. Now, I looked at their website and they have multiple straighteners to choose from. I looked at the description and this one said it was supposed to help with volume and things like that. So I picked this one out and I just got it in the mail, so it's a complete first impressions. Comes in a nice box like this. It is called the Rendevous Professional Styling Iron. A swivel cord, which is great. It has 5 pre-programmed digital settings, did not know that. On and off, light, titanium plates, rounded plate edges for more styling options. That's nice. I don't have much experience curling my hair with the straightener, so you're gonna, you know, deal with this with me and see how it goes. But I do have a coupon code which is down in the description box, and I will leave it on the screen a couple times so you can check out Duvolle for yourself, see if there's anything on there that you'd be interested in. Like I said, I definitely recommend that spin care system. And then this is something I'm very excited about. So we open it like this. I totally was trying to open it the wrong way. Ooh, this is fancy. I am someone who has most of my curling products and styling tools from, like, you know, Target, that's in like those plastic containers you have to cut open with the jaws of life, Conair and things like that. So this is very fancy to me. My one thing that I'm really looking for in this is the wire to be long enough. That's like my big pet peeve with hairstyling tools. Like, the wire is never long enough. So let's hope that this one is. So you can see right now my hair is a little flat. I did just wash it last night. I put a tiny bit of spray leave-in conditioner in, but I didn't blow dry it. I haven't styled it. This is literally just how my hair dried before I went to bed last night. I guess you could say it's kind of straight. I don't know. I hate my natural hair. So let's take this out of here and kind of just see what we're working with. The wire looks nice. Okay, the wire doesn't look too short, so we'll see if it reaches from where I'm sitting right now. Oh, they give you a little glove. I wasn't expecting that. I've never gotten a glove with anything, any curling iron or anything. I feel like that's when you know it's like a nice brand. They give you a little thing of safety tips, which I should probably read. It gives you temperature settings for your hair type, which is nice because, I mean, I don't ever follow that. I usually put it on the highest setting because I like to risk it. But it says normal easy to straighten hair 320 to 360. So I'm going to be doing 360 because that's kind of my hair. It's very thin, fine. We'll see how this works, and I'll check back in either later or tomorrow to let you know how it lasted. Look at that. Oh my god. It's like a nice glove. This is not like a cheapo glove. This feels like a winter glove. I'm probably not going to use it. Like I said, I am going to check in to see how it does with my hair. My mom, however, has very, very, very frizzy, wavy hair. It's very hard to curl. She has like those kinks that are hard to get out. Her hair is quite thin, but it's dry, coarse, and very frizzy, so I am going to use this on her later tonight or tomorrow, and I will let you know how that went. Oh, it feels nice. That's nice. Honestly, I don't know if you guys are like me. I might just be like a weirdo, but I have this thing where even if a product works really well, I don't like holding it in my hand. There's one I have, it's like a blow dryer that's like a brush, and I feel like it works and it makes my hair look really nice. I hate holding it. It's just so uncomfortable to hold, and it's heavy. This is like weighty, but it's not heavy. Like, I don't feel like I'll be tired. My arms will be sore after this. So we have our temperatures in here, on off button. Oh, it has that. Look, look, look. Do you see that? I'm gonna have to do a zoom in. The titanium heat does kind of curl out on this side and on this side. Okay, so I just plugged it in and it reaches right past the frame. So it's like right here. So, okay, that's cool, that's cool. Let's turn it on. On. Okay, so you can see there's like a blue light for the temperature. I hit the button, or what do I hit to make it go up? Oh, you just hit the power button. Okay, so I have it on 360. I don't know how long it takes to heat up. Let me read the instructions while it's heating up. It smells like it's being used for the first time. The iron shuts itself off after 50 or 60 minutes. That's kind of a long time. It's already warm. I can feel it. It's already warm. Okay. Oh, it gives you directions on how to do it. That's nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, so wait. I want to show you right here. there's these little rubber thingies, and when you put it down this way, it stands on them. Oh my god, I love that. So my hair is pretty not free. I am going to toss in a little bit of the Dry Finish Working Texture Spray from Kristen S. You might wonder why I do this first. I just feel like when your hair has more texture, it holds the style more. It kind of has like a texture to it. My hair is very textureless. I'm not exactly sure if I want to do a center part or a side part yet, so I'm just going to section off above my ears. That's a look. I'm going to burn myself. I already can feel it happening because I'm not using a mirror. I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror. This thing is freaking hot. Let's start right here. I'm going to go away from the face. I don't think I've ever curled my hair with a straightener. I feel like I'm going to do it wrong too. Do it? Sort of. I definitely didn't do it right, but I did it. I think it's just like a matter of getting used to the hand motions of doing this. Oh my god, look, I did it! Oh, that's so exciting! Okay, now we're just gonna keep on doing this, and you're gonna get super bored of watching me do the same thing over and over again. I'm going to try to leave the ends out a little, just because that's a look that I prefer. Just straighten that piece, because I feel like that is freaking hot. Okay, I'm pretty impressed. This is hot. I like, actually, that I don't have to turn it up all the way. Like, it's a very strong straightener, because normally, even with my thin hair, I usually turn up everything, like, all the way, and I don't feel like it does enough. And I'm not holding that. You see how long I'm holding that for? I'm not even holding it. That's impressive. This might actually, other than the fact that I'm sitting here talking to you, it might actually be faster than when I use a curling iron. This will definitely be easier when I have an actual mirror. Wow, this is actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I think that little plate that's like twisted on the straightener on the ends, like how the plate goes around on the sides, makes this so much easier. The one I have to use for my mom, it's like very, very straight, like meant for just straightening. And she, even when I straighten her hair, she likes it curled under, and I feel like this will do that better too. Now it looks a little, what's the word? Like, what's her face? That little girl with the curly hair. It looks a little ridiculous, but I'm gonna comb through and add more spray when we're done. I just like to let it cool in this state so that I don't pull out the curls. Another section off right around the arch of my brow I find is the good place. My hair is oh shoot, my light died. What was I saying before my light died? I'm sure if you had thicker hair, you might have to turn up the temperature, and you might need to like move slower than I am. I've only been doing this for about 5 minutes so far. You know, if I go on vacation and my mom wants a straightener and I want a curling iron, I don't have to bring both. I mean, for the first time curling my hair with a straightener, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Should we do a center part or a side part? What should we do? We're gonna do a side part. I feel like it's more flattering for me to do a side part because I don't like my nose, and when you do a center part, it kind of highlights anything that's not exactly symmetrical on your face, and so that's why I think it's better with the side part. This is so much easier than I was expecting. That's hot. Don't freaking touch that part. And just a reminder, I am doing this with zero mirror, zero experience using a straightener to curl my hair, so if you're not so great at hairstyling, this might be a good option for you. And with that coupon code, you can save quite a bit. You don't hold the button down and turn it off, you just keep going all the way up, and then it turns off when you get to the highest temperature. Now we're going to use some Beach Wave spray from Kristen S. Just gonna finger comb it a little bit out so it's not so, you know, Curly Sue. Is that who I was thinking of earlier? No, what's that girl's name? Who sang the Animal Cracker Soup song?
Animal crackers in my soup, monkeys and rabbits, loop-de-loop.
Oh my gosh, I really like this. I want to say this took 10-11 minutes maybe. Oh, my mom's gonna like this. I can't wait to straighten her hair later. I do it for her every time she washes her hair, and I usually hate it, but I might like it more with this. Guys, feel like I look so chic. And you're like, seriously, calm down. Overall, I'm very impressed. So, highly recommend the Duvolle Rendevous Professional Styling Iron. And this isn't the only one they have. I'm sure all of their hair products, hair tools are just as nice quality. But like, it depends on what you're looking for. And that's that for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more from me. And I will see you soon. Bye. Okay, I am very shiny. It's the end of the day. I've had my hair curled probably for 8 hours now, and I can't believe how well it's actually holding up. Normally, when I curl my hair with my normal curling iron, oh my god, my mascara, jeez. Normally when I curl my hair with my normal curling iron, say normally one more time. What happens is, even by the end of the day, especially on a day like today, it was very warm, like 80 degrees out or something, what happens is that my hair will no longer have this like this right here, what you can see. It'll curl on the bottom. They'll have, like, you know, the bottom will be flared in or out, but it won't have these actual pieces like this. I'm actually really impressed. Even the back, and I've been kind of leaning on the back of my head, is still pretty curled, so I'm really impressed. I feel like it's really lasting. Like, I can already tell it's gonna last through tonight and into tomorrow. And like I did say earlier, I am gonna do my mom's hair with the straightener either tonight or tomorrow, and then in the description box I will update you if it was better than the chi or not. But that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you already saw the end of this. Bye.